currently inside the, not inside but outside the historical mosque, which was built by one of the Ottoman vizier. So just prayed the Duhur. As you guys know, prayer comes first, then the visiting there. So you can see the fountain out here. That's the fountain, and these are the people praying inside. It's not inside because it's outside. The inside is closed. It's just open for the during the prayer time, like congregation prayer. But as it is late right now, so the people are praying outside. This is the main section, and on the right it's the women section. I will just walk now to show you guys some of the thing. तो ये देखो, ये है एक्चुअल फाउंटेन. नज़दीक से देखो, ये फाउंटेन जो है ये ओटोमैन स्टाइल बिल्ड है, ओटोमैन डिज़ाइन है, आर्किटेक्चर. और ये 1526 से लाइक वन ऑफ द विजिट ऑफ ओटोमैन उन्होंने बिल्ड किया था. ठीक है, वो अभी तक मौजूद है. और जहाँ से मुझे एहराम लेना है, एहराम की जगह वो है. और यहाँ से बाहर जाकर यहाँ एंट्री फीस है, बट इसमें यहाँ से अंदर गया. यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी शॉप्स हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं. बुक्स में भी है 2.5 यूरोस की, 5 km कुछ होती है 2.5 यूरोस. और हुस्र बैग, गाजी हुस्र बैग, इसलिए जो मॉस्क बनाई गई थी और जो तुम फाउंटेन दिखे थे, ठीक है, असल में उन विजिट का नाम ये था. अब वहाँ से एंट्री है कि नहीं है आई डोंट नो, बट यहाँ से एंट्री फीस है. वहाँ से एंट्री फीस है. और यहाँ से छोटे छोटे से जगह है इधर उधर जाने की. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यहाँ पे भी इंटर करने के चार्जेस हो गए कि खुला ही नहीं है. आई थिंक सो, या इट्स क्लोज. सो this thing I think so inside is a graveyard, or I don't know what it is, but there are some names of the people like from this period to this period. Imam, so there's a building out here. So this is the entry point, and yeah, there's something. If I went inside, it is saying like there's nothing in English. Yeah, if I went inside from here, there is nothing written in English. So yeah. So 96 imams, professors of Islamic school and students of madrasas were most brutally killed during the aggression. Oh my God. 96 of the imams were brutally killed during the aggression, like from April 1992 to November 1995 during the war. 117 imams were held in the concentration camps, like they were captured in a concentration camp. If you know about the Uyghur Muslims, so you will get to know. It was controlled by the army and police of Bosnian Serb entity and Croatian Defense Council. So basically, the imams were held by the army of Bosnian Serbia, which is another Balkan country, a Croatian where I am going next, like Dubrovnik. More than 80% of Islamic religious buildings were destroyed. Oh my God! On the territory controlled by the forces during the aggression, 614 mosques, 218 masjids, 69 maktab schools, like the scholars were used to teach the small children about like Islam. 4 Sufi taqi, like I told you, like here Sufism is the most of the thing. And if you see 37 tombs and 405 other structures belonging to Islamic community in Bosnia were destroyed by this army. And the army, who was the army? Bosnian, Serbia, and Croatia. So thing happened for the Muslims, like you can tell it as a genocide हुआ था. 117 इमाम कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में ले गए थे. यकीन मानो 96 इमाम्स वर किल्ड ब्रूटली. बहुत बहुत दर्दनाक तरीके से उनका कत्ल किया गया था. The Muslim Ummah, the Ummah has faced too much. Like we cannot imagine. That's why I said unity between Muslims are the must. I don't know, but if you guys can read Arabic, here's the Bosnian. Like that's why I said like the unity between Muslims should be at the top. There can not be another thing than the unity between Muslims. Let it be Shia or let it be Sunni or let it be many sects between that 4 imams and 12 imams. I don't know. I don't care about that. Unless and until we are Muslims, we are to be united. And yeah, all I wanted to say, peace, and there should be peace in every religion. We should treat everyone equally. But well, things happens, like होती है चीज़ें, बट हम कैसे उसे संभालते हैं, कैसे गलत काम से बचते हैं. वी नीड टू रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. यहाँ पे उल्टा 97 इमाम्स पर killed brutally. Well, and that too, it was not that late. It was done in 1992. So looking at the period like 1992 to 2025, it's been only 38 years, I think so. Yeah, 38 years since the imams were killed. And I don't wanted to say something else, but 117 imams were held in concentration camps, like what's happening with the Uyghur Muslims. So I just wanted to say respect. As a Muslim, we are not being said to harm other religious person, other monks, other religious like people, their holy peoples, their like structure, their holy sites. We as a Muslim, we don't harm that. But let it be. It was a past thing. I hope the Bosnia is good right now. All of the 3 religions are like equally good, and they don't have anything with each other now. Because if you can see, the mosque is like the mosque, church, and synagogue is like side by side each other. So I'm inside the mosque. There are many Christians, there are many people from other religion, but it's an historical mosque, so everyone is looking at it, everyone is taking the picture of it. So you can see that. Yeah, I wanted to say, but and if you can see, there's a tower type of structure. I think so it was built in the late 90s or maybe at the starting of 1550s, because it does not feel like newly built, but it is something. So here is the guy. Yo. He's going aggressive. I think so the mosque was open, but I didn't went inside. Hello. So I need to get some money out, and I need to purchase a ihram for my next trip for Saudi Arabia. And inshallah, let's go. See you in the next trip. Bye bye. So currently heading toward the ATM to get something, to get some money out to buy the ihram. I think so I should go from that side. find it that side or not, I don't know. But I'm keep walking until I find one. And is there an entry from there? No. So let's go. This is the market here. I don't know if I'm walking at the right path or not. I think so. I am at the right path. Actually, I'm wearing sunglasses, so मेरे को awkward नहीं लगेगा, to be honest. Sunglasses जब तक पहनो. बाकी चलते रहो, जितने लोग को देखना है देखते रहो. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे कल मुझे एक बंदा मिला था. हाँ, एक्चुअली वो आया था CZ रिपब्लिक. तो भी ऑनेस्ट वो जो शुरुआत में क्वेश्चंस मुझे पूछा, मुझे लगा ठीक बंदा है, बट थोड़ी देर बाद उसने मुझसे ऐसा सवाल करना चालू किया कि मुझे आइडिया हो गया कि वो बंदा सही नहीं है. ही वॉज अ गे, बट व्हाट कैन आई से. दिस इज़ द minaret here. एंड यहाँ से आई थिंक सो मुझे राइट जाना है या लेफ़्ट जाना है. जब मुझे ATM मिलेगा, या तो ATM यही है. ठीक है, मुझे यहाँ से ATM से पैसा निकालना है. और लोग तो मुझे देख रहे, पर देखने तो मेरे को इशू कुछ नहीं है. ये रहा मॉस्क जहाँ मैं कल बैठा था, और यहाँ पे वो बंदा मुझे मिला था. लेट्स को थोड़ा सा कैश निकाल लो, बाद में बात करता हूँ. ओके, सो मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ ग्रेवयार्ड के पास, जहाँ पे लाइक 1993 में जो जेनोसाइड हुआ था, लाइक World War I हुई थी, तो उसके अंदर जितने लोग का इंतकाल हुआ था, लाइक दोज हु वर डेड इन दैट aggression, I'm going there again. So it's that side in the mountain. It's like very big. You can see from there. That's the white graveyard, the white tombs. So I need to walk there. It's type of mountain I need to walk on. So again, it's the same thing. It's difficult, but I need to get some videos out there. So I'm walking again, as it is my last day in Bosnia. I need to run. ये बंदा तो मेरे होटल का है, हॉस्टल का है, पर कोई नहीं, चलते जाओ. मेरे को क्या है, मैं तो शर्म भी नहीं खा रहा, क्योंकि शर्म ही नहीं आ रही है. अब सब नॉर्मल लगने लगे, चलते जाओ. छोटा सा कैमरा, अब तो शर्म भी नहीं आ रही. अल्लाह मानो के. यहाँ छोटे छोटे से होटल्स हैं, जहाँ तुम वापस आते हो खा सकते हो. तुम एक पूरा टूर ले सकते हो. एक्चुअली 1 डे का टूर मिलता है, तो तुम्हें लाइक पूरा बोस्निया घुमा सकते हैं पूरा 1 डे के टूर में. सो आई थिंक सो अगर तुम्हें एक्सप्लोर करना हो, तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है कि कहाँ जाना है, तो मेरे हिसाब से वो बेस्ट थिंग है कि तुम एक टूर गाइड लो. एक्चुअली मुझे टूर गाइड नहीं लेना था, तो मैं नहीं लिया. मैं चलते गया, मुझे रास्ता मिलते गया, और ऑलमोस्ट मैं सब चीज़ कवर कर लिया, सिवाय म्यूज़ियम्स के एंड अंडरग्राउंड टनल के. आई नो अबाउट डेट, बट मुझे जाना नहीं है वहाँ, क्योंकि मुझे अभी बहुत ट्रैवल करना है, 25 डेज़ तक ट्रैवल करना है, तो मैं कुछ चीज़ छोड़ दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बोझ नहीं दे पाऊँगा वापस। तो अच्छे से लाइक 15-20 दिन तक मैं एक्सप्लोर करूँगा इंशाल्लाह। अभी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए, तो इसलिए 4 दिन में मैं इतना ही कवर कर रहा हूँ कि बाद में मुझे और कहीं नहीं जाना पड़े। तो वो दिखा आपको माउंटेन, यू कैन सी द माउंटेन देयर राइट। सो वहाँ से राइट में देखो ग्रेवयार्ड्स मिलेगा आपको, वाइट कलर के टॉम्स। मैं यहाँ से पानी या माउंट एनर्जी ड्रिंक उठाना पड़ेगा आई थिंक सो। ये पूरा बैक एरिया है, बैकग्राउंड एरिया है। अब वो रहा हमें ग्रेवयार्ड, तो हमें वहाँ पहुँचना है। ये मेरा दूसरी बार है यहाँ पे, एक्चुअली इट्स माई सेकेंड टाइम है। सो walking forward, let's see what we got there again. For the clip actually I need to get the video there and a photo as well. So it's 2:16 right now and there are people watching me, but I don't care because I don't care. I need to get the water there. So see you, bye. Water. So actually I got the water and a drink, not the one we are like the another one, it's like Kepi. So अब वॉक करने ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं पड़ेगी, चलते जाती है। और लोग को देखने तो मेरे को लोग से अब फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता। तो अगर तुम देखा जाए तो ये जो ब्लैक सीमेंट्री है या लाइक वाइट सीमेंट्री है, तुम देख सकते हो। या यहाँ पे एक फैमिली खड़ी है, थोड़े आगे से दिखाता हूँ। तो ये देखो, यू कैन सी द वाइट सीमेंट्री है। तो ये सारे जो 1993 में जो इधर वर्ल्ड वॉर हुई थी फर्स्ट आफ्टर द असैसिनेशन, सो यहाँ पे सारों का नाम लिखा है। इमेजिन करो इतने इमाम्स किल्ड हुए थे, मतलब बहुत एग्रेशन हुआ था, बहुत ऐसी चीज़ हुई थी जो चीज़ नहीं होना चाहिए थी। And apart from that, this graveyard tells a lot about the history. Like in 1993, how cruel the world is like during the war. That's why what's happening in today's world, we should not like promote it because it's not good. Like if you are like chasing side, like which side to be on, I would say be on the side who are being oppressed. So I hope you got my point, as it is YouTube, so I need to be careful what I'm saying. But looking forward, look at this cemetery. The world war leads to all of this, even all of the family getting cleansed out, complete families getting cleansed out. So I am not promoting all of this thing. I am against the one who is doing such oppression. So we will just sit at the top and get some videos out there, and let's go. Actually, I need to drink something because I'm thirsty, to be honest. And you can have the view. And let's move forward. There are no such people out here because there are like small houses up there, but not everyone lives here. मतलब ज़्यादा लोग यहाँ नहीं रहते, तो आई थिंक सो यहाँ से एंट्री है। तो बंद है कि पता नहीं, बट लेट्स गो। खुला, सो इट वाज ओपन, ये ओपन था। ओके, सो लेट्स गो। We need to be like a little bit quiet as we are in the place. You can see the view. Please read Surah Fatiha for the people who are dead. May Allah have mercy on them. This is the mountains, we cannot enter there. And from here we need to go upside. I will show you the full view about it. So look at this. You may got an idea like how big it is. Yeah, I hope you understood like how cruel the world is, and why you should not promote all of these things. I don't know what some like the people are facing in occupied land. You got to know what I'm saying, but you can understand what I'm saying. They are being killed every day. They are being killed. Even the small children are being killed every day, and may Allah have mercy on them. May Allah provide them the highest rank in Jannah, inshallah. And you can see it's moving. Like, I hope you got the view which I wanted to show you guys, and let's move forward. Now I will quiet the video for some time, and yeah. So the people is taking like paranormal photos, but I don't want it because there is no one with me, and no one's. I'm like a little bit shy to tell someone like take a picture of me, so it's not going to work for me. So now I'm going down. I need to go there in the city central again, and yeah, let's go. Well, actually the battery is low of my camera, so see you in the next vlog, next clip, not the vlog. I will continue it. Bye bye. भागना पड़ा। ये मेरा सरायों में लास्ट क्लिप है, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट जो क्लिप मिलेगी वो मिलेगी मॉन्स्टर की, इंशाअल्लाह। मॉन्स्टर से जाएगी क्रोशिया डुब्रोनिक। फिर मिलते हैं, जब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़। अब ये व्लॉग अपलोड होगा इंशाअल्लाह। जब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़, बाय बाय।